Leaders of the Hinyotreb Youth Council today met Deputy Chief Minister Preston Thinsong to raise objections to the demands by the Harijan Panchayat Committee over relocation of people residing at Thamyao Mawlong. They demanded the government to provide quarters to only 195 families who are employees of the state government and not to the 148 families who are not employees. They also demanded the government to call for advertisements for various vacant posts of sweepers and other part-time, daily wage jobs in the Shillong Municipal Board without giving special treatments to the residents of Thamyao Mawlong.
Will not allow the government to give land or to give houses to the 147 or 48 families who are neither the employees of the government. And we are not against giving quarter or any dwelling units to the employees of the government or the 195. But then giving even one house or one dwelling units to those persons who does not work under the government, the HYC will not allow that. So he has assured us that in a day or two he will be calling for a meeting to ask for a clarification whether these the affidavit filed by the SMB or the stand taken by the government for the last 5 and 6 years that 342 families are workers of the government, whether it is right or it is wrong. So he has assured us that a meeting will be called and he will give us a clarification.
Cabinet Minister and Senior